Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present our group project. My name is Hazwani Ayuni binti Muhammad. My student ID is 2024271854.
Hi, my name is Alia Farzana binti Ridwan and my metric number is 2024285368.
And hi, my name is Nur Sabrina binti Ahmad. My student ID is 2024428398.
I will start with the introduction. Road traffic accident is an unexpected and harmful incident that happens on the road. It always involving one or more vehicles. This accident can happen due to various reasons such as speeding, bad weather, or reckless driving, including human error and vehicle malfunction. Proper road design, traffic control, and law enforcement help reduce their frequency and severity. The problem statement is, in many parts of Ethiopia, particularly in towns like Addis Ababa and Mizan Aman, road traffic accidents are becoming a bigger problem by multiple factors. However, there is limited statistical analysis to identify major signs of the impact of accident. This study aims to use statistical and data analysis techniques to analyze these factors and support evidence-based road safety intervention. The objective of this analysis is to determine the shape of data distribution for quantitative data, to analyze key factors causing road traffic accident, to identify pattern and high-risk conditions from accident data.
So, for our method of collection and methodology, we obtain our data by using secondary data. It is referred to information that we gathered by external organization. Our data was collected from official government website and included only material relevant to our research. For our project, we are presenting quantitative data, which is referred to information that can be counted or measured in numerical terms. To effectively visualize this data, we have chosen the graphical method of an OGIF, which is cumulative frequency graph. One of the primary tools we use to create the OGIF is Microsoft Excel because it provides a straightforward and efficient way to generate graph from collected data. For our frequency distribution is based on group data, which allow for a clearer representation of pattern and trend within a data set.
Next, we take a look from analysis on group data. First, we analyze data from type of collision using pie chart. There are 6 collisions. First, vehicle with vehicle collision, collision with roadside object, collision with animals, rollover, fall from vehicle, collision with pedestrian. The highest type of accident is vehicle with vehicle collision with percentage 67%, while the lowest type of accident is fall from vehicle, which the percentage is 2%. Then, we also analyze data of where accident occur with pie chart. As we can see, there are many areas of accident can occur in this data like following: residential area, office area, recreational area, industrial area, rural or village area, hospital area, school area, and others. The most accident occur in other area, which is only 33%, while least occur in rural or village area, which is only 1%. Apart from that, we also have simple bar chart of gender of drivers in accident. Most male drivers are involved in more accident than female driver. Next, let's move to analysis data, which is group data. We analyze that this data by plotting or GIF and histogram graph. We take 2 data to analyze in this part. First year of driving experience and age of driver. After calculating measure of central tendency of these 2 data, we can interpret average driver that is most of accident is with 10.5 to 7 years. And the most accident drivers had 6 to 10 years of experience. And 50% of driver having less than 9.28 to 1 years, and 50% of driver having more than 9.28 to 1 years of driving experience. Majority of drivers accident is 7.2431 per year. By referring Pearson measure of skewness, which is 0.4836, the data is positive skewed. Next, we have data of age of driver against number of driver. we can interpret that the average of driver that is most to accident is with 4.7191 years, and the most accident driver had 28 to 37 years of experience, and 50% of driver having less than 35.4213 years, and 50% of driver having more than 35.4213 years of driving experience. And majority of driver accident is 33.6481 per year. By referring Pearson measure of skewness, which is -1.6274, the data is negatively skewed. Based on both data, most suitable measure of central tendency to study the data is mean. It is because for mean, we can see which class age and years of driving experience that most likely to involve in the accident. Instead of standard variation, we can only see the dispersion of class age and years of driving experience only, so we cannot conclude our study. After analyzing all of our data, we met our expected result in our study. We find that middle-aged driver, which is more than 20 years of driving experience, tend to involve in accident, as well as most of the driver is male.
So, for our conclusion, we can conclude that we were able to study the average value to see how the data is spread and show traffic accident patterns using information from 373 people. Most of the people in the study were men, and the results show that men are more likely to be in a road accident. Many accidents also involve drivers with around 5 years of driving experience. We also found that how much rest a driver gets before driving is very important. Drivers should get enough sleep to avoid being tired or falling asleep while driving. It's always safer to take breaks, follow a road sign, and drive under the speed limit. If possible, it's also a good idea to have another person to take turns drive.